Hey guys, welcome. This video has been a long time in the making. I've been trying to put this together for 2 months and I've just encountered problem after problem after problem. But it's finally here and you're watching this footage right now on the brand new GoPro Hero 7. Stick around if you want to find out why you need a GoPro Hero 6 or 7.
Hello and welcome. It's time for 5 minutes to great gadgets.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to today's episode. I know originally I had promised you a review on the GoPro Hero 6 and that got changed and things just caused a lot of problems. So, long story short, I thought it would be better to let you guys know why you might need a GoPro Hero 6 or 7. And there's a lot of reasons. First of all, if you're looking for an in-depth, detailed review with lots of specs, this review will not have that. We will have some comparisons between the GoPro Hero 6 and Hero 7. However, details and high-spec information will not be part of this review. If you're looking for a review with lots of specs and details, don't worry, I've put several links below in the show notes to some reviews that I felt were unbiased and well-rounded. So one of the important things that I wanted to relay with this review is why you might actually need one of these. First of all, it's not just for sports. GoPros and action cams in general have a known history of being used for sporting events. You strap a camera on, jump out of a plane, go mountain biking or surfing, but that's not the case anymore. Today, more and more people are realizing the benefits of having a GoPro. This past summer, I went to Disney World with my family and found the GoPro to be far more useful than the camera on my phone. Here's a little footage so you can see the comparison between my phone and the GoPro. These cameras are also waterproof to 33 feet. That means they're perfect for a dip in the pool, a cruise on a boat, or a visit to the beach. The main selling point of the Hero 7 is its incredible gimbal-like hyper-smooth stabilization. If you're not familiar with what a gimbal is, it's a handheld gyroscope device that you put your camera in to keep it steady. They do a very good job of stabilizing your video. However, they are rather large and do cost quite a bit. Let's take a look at the stabilization difference between the Hero 6 and the Hero 7 in this next video clip. So I thought we'd do a little walking and test out the image stabilization. Let's see how it looks. I'm walking right now on even ground. I've got the GoPro Hero 6 strapped to my wrist. Not very tightly either, it is moving a little bit. So I do expect a little bit of shake, but let's see what it looks like. Well, we're back here at the park, and this time it's the GoPro Hero 7. Doing a little test, walking around on that same ground that I had the Hero 6 with me last time. You'll probably notice the mic sounds quite a bit better. It's a big difference. But again, uneven ground, arms shaking quite a bit. Let's see how this compares to that GoPro Hero 6. Both the Hero 6 and the Hero 7 feature a touchscreen display on the back side. Both the Hero 6 and the Hero 7 are easy to use. However, the navigation menu has been improved vastly in the Hero 7. Another great feature in both the Hero 6 and Hero 7 is the ability to use voice commands, such as saying, GoPro, take a picture, or GoPro, start recording. Both cameras are capable of recording at 720, 1080, 2K, and 4K. Frame rates from 30 frames per second all the way up to 240 frames per second are available depending on which resolution you're shooting in. Different aspect ratios are available, including 16:9 and 4:3. These may vary depending on what size you're shooting and whether you've selected Super View, Wide, or Linear. The Hero 6 features a time-lapse feature which allows it to record multiple pictures and stitch them together into a video. However, because it's taking multiple pictures, this can look a little bit choppy when played back. The Hero 7 features an option called Time Warp, which actually takes video, stabilizes it, and then pieces it all together in a fast segment. The end result is a smooth-looking video. Both cameras can be used with the GoPro app available on both Android and iPhone. Lastly, the GoPro is known for being a very tough camera. It's highly durable. GoPro knows that people are rough on these. They get dropped, they get bounced around a lot, so they're probably going to hold up pretty well for the average user. Both the Hero 6 and the Hero 7 record excellent video. They're both waterproof, easy to use, and take great photos. There is one thing that neither camera does well, and that's taking video or photos in low light situations. The best way to ensure good video and photos in a dimly lit environment is to use an LED wash light. As of this review, GoPro is no longer selling the Hero 6 on their website. Many stores still have them in stock, and many people are selling theirs in order to buy the Hero 7. So if you're on a budget, I wouldn't hesitate picking up a Hero 6 if it's in good condition. That being said, the Hero 7 has a few new features and many improvements. First of all, the stabilization on the Hero 7 is vastly improved over the 6. The microphones have seen a good improvement as well. The startup time is much better, and the touch response of the back screen is also improved. Some of the new features include the Time Warp feature, which I showed earlier in this video, and another feature that I have yet to use, which is live streaming. Currently, this is only supported on Facebook, but there are plans to add this to other social media platforms. Both cameras offer a relatively short battery time. On average, I get about 45 minutes out of one battery. I recommend picking up a second battery so you can record for extended times. And now just a few more final thoughts about the GoPro Hero 6 and 7. They're great cameras, they take excellent video, but if you're going to do some editing on these, you're going to need a fairly decent computer to do the editing. Most of the footage that I record is at 2K 60 frames per second. Then I can easily edit down to 1080 even if I zoom in on something, and the quality still looks amazing. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to get future episodes of 5 Minutes to Great Gadgets.